Alright guys, so today we're going to go ahead and do this look. So if you want to, if I can talk, if you guys want to learn how I did it, please keep on watching. Oh, look how long my hair is. I'm just like, dang girl, dang. I need to like cut it. See that? Sorry, I just had to show it off, you know, because it's so freaking long. I don't even know what to do with it anymore. Up it, down it, pull it. I don't know what to do. Alright guys, don't forget to subscribe, and here we go. Let's get started. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we want to show you what YouTube made me buy, but I'm not mad at it though. So if you guys want to see the surprise that I got, keep on watching. Bye. Alright guys, so I'm so excited. One moment please. To announce that I officially got the t-shirt. Sorry, the kids are going crazy too because the girls liked it too. I'm so excited. All right, guys, let's open on. Chon, 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 chon. All right. Oh, wrong way. Oh. Plastics. Oh, and then we take it out. And kabam. Oh my God, I can already see like 10,000 looks. All right, let's try one, shall we? All right, we use the Tarte. We're gonna go ahead and go in, whoa, 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 whoa. With, I think it's called Punch Me. Okay. All right, James Charles, I see you. So we can put it on the eyelid. And we're using the Jaclyn Hill number 30. All over. And then I think I want to go, sorry, I should show you what I use. Punch Me right there. And then I'm probably going to use, let's go with, you know what, I'm going to go with different colors. I don't care. I don't care. I just want to try them on. So we're going to go with, whoops, there was my little paper. Let's see. How about some red? So I'm just gonna go with a different color. I'm going to try to use as many as I can. I don't think I can use all of them. I think there's about 40. All right, so after Rusted, we're going to go with, what is it? 10% off. My paper keeps falling. Right here to just darken it a little more. So I don't want it too dark, but I want to darken it a little bit more. Just in the corner so we don't get rid of the red. Okay. no beans right in this area. Sorry, my hair is in the way. Right there. Okay. Switching brushes. I'm gonna go with Jaclyn Hill 32, and we're going to go with that 518 right here. Okay. And now we're trying this flat brush, number 41, and we're gonna go with B. Oh, B like my name. Oh, all that fallout, what's going on? I should go. I'll tap this time. I like that it's pigmented and I don't have to use like the spray thing. I'm gonna put a little bit more of that red. Right in the middle. To pop it out. And then a little bit more of the 518. I think it looks like a sunset at this point. All right, I'm gonna put my thing on so that I can go ahead and do the bottom of that. All right, with the flat brush, it is Jaclyn's number 43. Thank you. We're gonna go with we're gonna go with Brother. Clean the brush off a little bit. We're going to go with, let me see. I think I'm going to go with Skip. It's a bright ass pink. Sorry, I'm already blocking everything. I'm just mixing colors at this point.
Well, oh, I lost it. Sorry. I can't find it. Mama.
It's right there.
Dang it. I want to play.
And then we're gonna finish it off with I should go. This is backwards. I think I'm gonna finish it out with Tune. It's a little yellowish. Guys, you didn't remind me. I almost forgot to do the top part. We're gonna go with flashback. I was like, why does it look weird? All right, guys, this is the final look. I don't know, it looks like a sunset with a little bit of pink and blue on the bottom. I think it came out great, and I was just playing with colors because I have to have this palette. I don't know why, but I have to. You know what I'm saying? Hey. All right, guys, if you guys like this look, si les gustó, comment down below. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. And if you're new to my channel, I hope you stay. Bye.